Hello everyone. Today I will introduce searching skills for you. Are you ready for this lesson? And let's start it. Today I will introduce 4 searching skills. There are basic searching, time searching, picture searching, and advanced picture searching. And the first technique is basic searching. Please open your Google engine. Then find the input box of searching and type what you want to search in it. Last, just press enter on your keyboard. You will see the results appear. However, you also can see some options like images, maps, and so on. Click one of each will direct you to the corresponding searching results. Another way to search is type what you want to search directly in the address space. Let's see the sample video. Type what you want to search in it, and I type Malaysia, and the result is appeared. Here is the type of button, and I click images, news, and videos. They turn to their corresponding page. And this time, I type what I want to search in it. And the result is the same with last method. Now it's your practice time. You can pause the video and practice. The next technique is time searching. Because some of results are too old, maybe many months or many years ago, these results are not to be what we want. At this moment, time searching is a useful searching technique, and what you should do first is click the tool button. Then a button called Anytime will appear. Click it and choose the period that you want to choose. Let's see the sample video. Click Tools button, and you can see Anytime. This time I want to choose the results of recent 3 hours. And you can see all of the results are posted in recent 24 hours. And I choose past week. All of the results are posted in recent week. And next, I choose past year. And the results here are all posted in recent year. Now it's your practice time. You can pause the video and practice. Next technique is picture searching. First, click the images button and type what you want to search. We also can search picture by another method. The only difference to the last method is about order. This time, we want to type what you want to search first and press enter on your keyboard. And click images button here. You can see identical result with using of last method. Let's see the sample video. I click images button first and type what I want to search. And you can see the results appear. Now I choose another method. This time, I type what I want to search first. And you can see images button here and click it. And the same result is appeared. We also can search picture in the result page. You can see some options of time. Choose each of them and it will lead to the corresponding page. Let's see the sample video. We can see many kinds of buttons here. And I choose temple. And the result here all of is Malaysia's temple. And I choose flag. The results are Malaysia's flag. Now it's your practice time. You can pause the video and practice. At some moment, we may not find the correct result that we want. For example, I want a square picture, but this picture is rectangle. It is not what I want. The right one is the correct one. What should we do when we encounter this situation? This time we can use advanced picture searching technique. Click the button first, and you can see many additional buttons appear. I will show you how it works. Click Tools. And this time we choose Size. The results here have the large size in this picture. And this time I click Icon. All of results have smaller size. And this time we choose Color. And I click Blue one. And the results here are all blue. I click Black and White. All of the results are all black and white. Next, I click Transparent. All of the background of these photos have transparent backgrounds. And you also can choose the Setting button. This is another way for the advanced searching skills. After you click it, you can see some options and choose Advanced Search button. The page will turn to Search Setting. Here, you can set your searching condition at one time. Let's see the sample video. Click Setting button and choose Advanced Search. And I choose the image size is large. And squares 1. And I choose black and white color. Type of image, I choose photo. And I click Advanced Search. The result here is what I want. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.